Hi, my name's Mitesh and I am one of the dentists at Beyond Dental Care. Working at Beyond Dental Care means that I can do the dentistry that I can be proud of. I can treat patients as patients rather than as teeth that need to be fixed or having any sort of conveyor belt for patients where we rush them through. We get to take our time with patients and that's actually encouraged. My role has changed. I've taken up a bit more of a teaching and mentoring role with the dentists, and I've been running weekly dentist training meetings for most of this year. I've missed a few because I was away on paternity leave with my first daughter. I see a lot of very anxious patients, and sometimes that can be challenging. A lot of that dental anxiety comes from traumatic experiences in the past. From what I've heard, dentists in the 60s, 70s and 80s were quite rough, and because of that, a lot of the adult patients that I see have negative associations, and working through that, it then means that the approach has to be very, very individualized. I saw a patient earlier today where I almost completely reversed my approach to the treatment, but that meant that she had a much more comfortable appointment, and that's really the goal. I try to treat my patients how I want to be treated. A lot of the patients that I see are very anxious in the dental chair, and I try to make it a point every year to do something that I am afraid of. So last year, I'm terrified of heights, I still am, but last year I went on a flying fox for the first time and I had my wife coaching me along. Earlier this year I did public speaking, which is something I'm also very, very uncomfortable with, but doing things like that helps me empathize with my patients who are also facing their fears when they come to see me. And using that empathy, it lets me be much more patient and much more gentle with them. I enjoy looking after anxious patients. I enjoy Smile Echoes as well. That's a lot of fun, because quite often patients don't expect what we can do, and then seeing their reaction to what their smile could look like. And people who are enthusiastic about creating a good patient experience or enthusiastic about doing good quality work, when you have a team of people who are all aligned like that, it makes it a pleasure to do good quality work. And then we share that work between each other. We encourage each other as well for that. So I really enjoy that.